All right, so Bevy Jam 7 has started. I just got off stream and took a nap, so I'm back and ready to go. The repo that I have so far is just some scaffolding, a clear color for the background camera, nothing really rendering yet. A bunch of the dependencies that I want are installed. So this is things obviously like Bevy. In this case, I have Bevy Audio turned off, so I have a bunch of features enabled with Bevy Audio not enabled. Bevy Inspector GUI, Bevy Enhanced Input, Bevy Seedling, Noise, Bevy Skeen, all things that I talked about in my useful crates for Bevy Jam 7 video. And if I hit escape, I can bring up my world inspector for Bevy Inspector eGUI, indicating that there is actually stuff happening here, even though there's nothing really on screen yet. So the jam theme here is extremely incohesive fever dream, which I feel like I had a little bit of trouble figuring out something to do for this, but my overall goal for this jam is to get something of a vertical slice done in about 2 to 3 days so that I can focus on things like content, animations, audio, things like that. So that means my current plan is to do something that is kind of roguelike, something that uses 3D models but is not really a 3D game. So the controls are going to be 2D in some respect. Maybe it's isometric, maybe something a little bit more like Hades. The very first enemy that I can think of in my head for an incoherent fever dream, I guess it says incohesive here. I thought it was incoherent. But the first enemy that I can think of is an eyeball that shoots laser beams. So I think that's enough to get some project scaffolding going.